Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Amazon Prime Video sign-up problems. If you're running into issues creating your account or activating your subscription, this guide will walk you through the most effective solutions that should get you streaming in no time. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. Let's start with the most common fix, clearing your browser data. Open your web browser and look toward the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see three dotted lines, which is your menu icon. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Delete Browsing Data. This option helps remove any cached information that might be interfering with the sign-up process. Once you've clicked on Delete Browsing Data, a new window will open with several options. In the top menu of this window, click on More to expand your choices. From there, select All Time. This ensures you're clearing all stored data, not just recent history, which gives you a complete, fresh start with Amazon Prime Video. After selecting all time, you'll see a button that says Delete Data. Go ahead and click it. Your browser will now clear all the cached files, cookies, and temporary data that may have been causing conflicts with the Prime Video sign-up process. Give it a moment to complete this action, as it may take a few seconds depending on how much data needs to be cleared. Now, if clearing your browser data doesn't solve the problem, there's another approach that works for many users. Instead of using the Amazon Prime Video app, try using a web browser. Many users find they can't activate Prime Video inside the app due to various technical limitations or bugs. So open Chrome, Safari, or whatever browser you prefer on your device. In your browser, navigate to the Amazon website. You can type amazon.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, sign in using your Amazon account credentials. After you're signed in, look for the Prime Video section and activate your subscription directly from there. This browser-based method often bypasses whatever issues the app might be experiencing. If you're still encountering problems after trying both methods, consider restarting your router. Sometimes Amazon may block sign-up attempts if your location appears inconsistent or if there are network connectivity issues. Restarting your router gives you a fresh IP address and can resolve any connection-related problems that might be preventing your sign-up from going through successfully. And that's it. You should now be able to sign up for Amazon Prime Video without any issues. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.